Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger keeps failing, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to wear and tear over time or from a buildup of dirt and debris. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more significant problems, potentially affecting the overall performance of your device. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger component. First, ensure your device is unplugged and then use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing of your Dyson V10. Take care not to damage the surrounding areas while doing so. Once opened, locate the trigger mechanism. It is typically situated near the handle and may be connected by a couple of small screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, applying just the right amount of force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the trigger component away from the handle. Be cautious of any connected wires. If they seem tight, check for any additional screws that might be holding them in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've extracted the faulty trigger, take your new component and fit it in place, ensuring it clicks into position snugly. Replace the screws, again being careful not to over-tighten them. Once everything is secured, it's time to close the casing. Align the two halves carefully, ensuring no wires are pinched, then press them together firmly until you hear a click. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and test the trigger to confirm it's functioning correctly. If everything works, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your device regularly, especially around the trigger area, to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, avoid applying excessive force when using the trigger, as this can lead to wear over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.